Welcome everyone and welcome to Brian the Lion 13. As you can see here, our bird feeder was really received very well by the birds. Maraming Birds ate this, daghan birds. And the reason was because we relocated the bird feeder. Originally we had it over there, as you might recall, underneath the arch, next to the birdhouse, but they weren't too crazy about that. Maybe they were intimidated. So we relocated them to that bush over there that's just branched out a little bit, and it was hanging there in their natural setting. So they had some cover they could hide behind if they wanted to, and they really liked it. Maraming Birds showed up and they ate all the seed. As you remember, it was filled to the top and they ate the whole thing. So we're going to wash this out with some mild soap, and then we're going to return it over there to the tree and wait for the birds to show up. So we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks so much for tuning in. Salamat.